Hi guys, so I've received my smart mop now and let us quickly assemble everything and see how it works. Here is the manual and few instructions that are need to be followed, and I'll be going through this and let you know about it. Here is the microfiber cloth and the charger for the smart mop, and here is the bottle for the smart mop. Here's a bottle along with this whole set that's been given, and also a sweet note about how this bottle has been, structured along with the smart mop, and that's really sweet. And the actual smart mop. Now let's assemble the mop, which is one snap assembling. Now let's insert the microfiber cloth and make sure that you're not touching the microfiber cloth with wheels. It's also mentioned in the instructions card that this area is supposed to be free and this is not supposed to touch the wheels. The wheels should easily rotate. Now let's fill some water into the bottle. Here we're using the liquid detergent of 1 tablespoon. Please use only the liquid detergents, not any other detergent. Now let's put the water bottle into the mop. Now let's switch on the smart mop. And when the blue light is appearing, you're not supposed to use the smart mop. Once we have the green light, the mop is good to go. This sticker indicates the water level, this being the lowest, the medium, and the highest. You can see the light blinking according to the water mode, lowest, medium, or the highest. Now let's go back to the lowest mode. You'll see the LED blink. Now the smart mop is ready to go. Here I'll just press the override button only for 2 seconds for the initial wetting of the microfiber cloth. Now let's mop around and see how the device works. Also remember, you don't have to press the button at all. The water will automatically just get adjusted according to your movement.